Hi guys, Randy Martin here again. Today I'd like to talk about commodities, partly to correct something I said in a previous video where commodities don't make profits. That's not true. It's just a way you make your profits in commodities that is a little bit different than with stocks or other devices in investment. When you have a commodity, you're buying it at a certain price and hoping that somebody will buy it at a higher price from you later, and that's how you lock in your profit. I don't particularly like that type of investment other than for edging against certain things. Bitcoin is the same. You buy it at a certain price, you sell it later, hopefully for more. And once you're done, you have your profits, yes, but you've lost the asset. And when I think of investing and I think of profits, I think of a farm that produces wheat, corn, milk. At the end of the year, they sell their product for a profit, and they still have a farm next year to produce more profits, hopefully compounding their results over time. So from there, the slight misnomer in the words that I used, but hopefully that clears it up. Now, to continue on commodities, one of the great uses for it in investment or in business is to protect yourself against variable costs. And a story I'm going to use for this is from Ray Dalio and McDonald's. And there was a chicken company that I can't remember the name of anymore. So I'm probably going to oversimplify this story, but please stay with me. So in the 80s, pre the Chicken McNugget, McDonald's was in the market for chickens at a fixed price. And all their producers were telling them no, because the cost of a chicken is variable, because all of the feed and accessories that go into producing a mature chicken for food is variable. So the deal almost broke down until Ray Dalio came in and spoke to both of them, spoke to the chicken companies, or chicken producers, and said you can insulate yourself against your variable costs by buying futures in a specific commodity. So the way this works is you buy futures, let's say in chicken feed, and let's assume there was only one for the sake of the story. If the price of chicken feed goes up, you make money on your futures. You will lose money, or you will make narrower margins on the chickens themselves because it costs more to feed them. But that's okay, you broke even still. You got the price or the margin you were expecting because you made more on the feed, and the two are directly correlated to each other. Inversely, if the price of chicken feed goes down, you'll lose money on your futures, but you'll make more margin per chicken because it costs less to feed them to maturity. This is how we were able to have the Chicken McNugget at a fixed price for McDonald's. They knew they were going to have a tremendous amount of volume, but they didn't want to wrestle with margins or changing and adjusting the price of Chicken McNuggets every week. And this is how the deal happened. So commodities, they have their place. Depending on what you want to do and what your investment strategy is, they can be a very good fit, especially in business if you're trying to insulate against variable costs. You can buy futures into it. If you're looking for very simple forms of investment, and if you see that something's going to go up, could be gravel, sand, those commodities actually exist. You can trade on them. They're viable for, or not variable, but indispensable for cement and building. You could buy futures, or you could even short them if you think there's going to be a surplus and the price is going to go down. But again, you're making a bet on something just moving up or down, and you'll lock in your money or your profit just based on somebody paying more for it later, it's okay. It's very simple in terms of investing, but I prefer to buy into the companies that will produce something, a service, anything of value, and make a profit from there. I'd like to have a company, if I can, for 10, 20, 30 years. Just keep on raking in the profits every year. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you.